Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Iridescent shards are the free in-game currency in Dead by Daylight. You earn them through progression and challenges. Focus on 3 reliable sources to accumulate shards quickly. First, player level and blood web progression reward shards as you level up. Second, daily rituals and weekly event challenges consistently give shard payouts. Third, limited time events and login bundles sometimes grant extra shards directly. Track your rituals each day and prioritize objectives that pay shards. Use shards to buy shrine offerings, cosmetics, and rotating store items when available. Establish a simple daily routine to maximize shard income. First, complete all daily rituals every login. They are quick and yield shard rewards. Second, focus on a single weekly event challenge chain to claim a larger shard bonus. Third, open the game store and event page for any free login bundles or milestone rewards granting shards. Play efficient matches that fulfill multiple ritual objectives in one game. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes of targeted play per ritual to finish them faster. Optimize shard usage by prioritizing high-value purchases and event offers. First, spend shards on Shrine of Secrets pages when a desired teachable appears. Second, avoid impulse buys for cosmetics. Save shards for limited-time offerings or event bundles that include bonus items. Third, check the event calendar and wait for bundle sales that add extra value for shards spent. Use shards strategically to fill gaps in your collection rather than chasing every cosmetic. Keep a running goal of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.